This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus versus the iPhone XS Max. Now in the Note 10 Plus, this one has the Snapdragon 855 and a whopping 12 gigs of RAM on Android 9, One UI. iPhone XS Max, this one is on the latest iOS 12, has the A12 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM. Gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Ooh, very close on the boot up, but I'll give the slight edge to the iPhone XS Max. But you guys are the judges. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Very close again. The camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. And let's go. Give that to the XS. Clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Samsung Internet and Safari. Go. We'll go ahead and do a search for Note 10. Go. Go ahead and click on this one. And let's go. Very close. This Note 10 review on CNET, so you can see. Gonna scroll through this. You guys look at the performance, both nice and smooth. So you can see on the internet, browsing. Go ahead and leave it there. Calculator. Very close again. Play Store and App Store. Go ahead and do a search for TikTok. Go. And we'll go ahead and click on this one. We're gonna install it. Nah, we'll just leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, Note 10 Plus on this. Click on the deal of the day. Note 10 Plus a little bit quicker on the Amazon. eBay. Note 10 Plus again, as you can see. We'll click on this iPhone case. Ooh, pretty close on that one. Super Mario Run. Note 10 Plus ahead. Will the XS catch up? Oh, and give the win to the Note 10 Plus. Tap to begin. Oh man, what's happening to the iPhone? Lagging a little bit here. So you can see Note 10 Plus way out in front. Turn up the volume on the iPhone. Temple Run 2. Blooming Sands. Oh, Note 10 out in front. Tap to play. We'll leave it there. We'll do the same thing real quick on the iPhone. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Oh! Oh! And the Note 10 with a narrow victory. Actually, I take that back. iPhone is lagging again on Angry Birds. So Note 10, a little bit of separation on that game. Asphalt 9. Oh, another close one. Who's gonna take this game? Oh, and give the win to the Note 10 Plus. As you can see, tap play once. And then we'll leave it there. And do the same thing on the iPhone. PUBG Mobile, let's go. Oh, iPhone's ahead a little bit. Oh, hear a noise from the iPhone. Will the Galaxy catch up? Loading on both. Oh, give the win. Narrow victory to the iPhone on this. We'll close all of this stuff out. Not by much though. I think the Galaxy is closing the gap in terms of the PUBG. Photoshop Express. I do have this 8K image on both phones. gonna go ahead and click on the white balance on both, and I'm gonna choose cloudy filter on both phones, and I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna click on this filter and jack it up all the way, and we're gonna go ahead and save it on both by clicking that. And okay, give the win on the Note 10 Plus on this step a little bit. iPhone's lagging here, come on, let's go. What's happening to the iPhone right now? There we go. And I'm gonna save it to the camera roll on the iPhone and save the gallery on the Note 10 Plus and see which one will do this step faster. And let's go. And give the win to the Note 10. Twitter. Note 10 Plus on this. Oh, iPhone is lagging behind. Instagram. Note 10. Again, man, that was really fast on the Note 10 Plus. WhatsApp, let's go. Note 10 again. And Snapchat. Note 10 Plus. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. All apps in the background so you can see. Now keep in mind, Note 10 does have 12 gigs of RAM. iPhone only has 4, but iOS is well optimized. So we'll see how both phones handle the RAM management here. Just gonna run through these again and see how they do. So far so good. And then we'll go to Photoshop and get rid of this. And it's still there so you can see. PUBG, same place, ready to resume this game, and the Asphalt 9. And what's going on with the Note 10? I don't think that was a full reload. Oh, what's happening to the iPhone? I don't think that's a full reload, just some sort of reset on both phones. Angry Birds 2, same place, ready to go so you can see. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both phones. Super Mario Run, Mario Time on both, pretty good. eBay, same thing. Amazon, same place, ready to shop. Play Store, App Store, annoying ass TikTok app. Calculator, same place. Safari and the Samsung Internet browser, ready to go. Clock, still running the stopwatch as you can see. The camera, you guys are the judges. Messages, give the win to the Note 10 on that. I think that was a reload on the iPhone. And the phone app, Note 10 Plus, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the regular Note 10? If you have a Galaxy Note 9, are you gonna upgrade to this phone? Or if you have an S10 or S10 Plus, are you gonna upgrade to this phone? Kinda wish this phone had a 90Hz display and retained the headphone jack, but the screen on this thing is absolutely gorgeous as you can see. Essentially no bezels anymore. This thing looks futuristic AF, and this colorway, the Aura Glow, is absolutely fantastic. It's beautiful, changes colors. Here, take a look right now. I mean, this thing is just amazing to look at. Very premium, very nice. I love it. I absolutely am loving the looks of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Very nice. Or are you an Apple iCheat rocking your iPhone XS or XS Max? Do you have an iPhone XR? Are you looking forward to the rumored iPhone 11 that's gonna come out in a little bit? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.